bitches steady tripping and these niggas steady hating. Bitch, I'm on fire, bitch, I'm hot, just like saying, hey. Okay.
New York City, shorty, that's where I was raised, yeah. Now I'm in the beach, eating beats with my gang, yeah. Whipping, switching lanes, yeah. Kicking shit, Luke Kane. I'm insane in the fucking brain, wrist on hurricane. Bad bitch, ass fat, skinny waist, pretty face. Took her to my place, pussy tastes like icing on the cake. Whoa, Uber everywhere, goddamn she super rare. Told me Eli, slow it down, you might mess up on my hair. Bitch, I don't fucking care, no respect for these hoes. Shout out Exxon, swear to God his neck on froze. All I know, microphones and shows, blowing up slow on the low, doing the most, fucking with multiple hoes. Fuck your relationship goals, damn. My ex bitch trippin', wishing she could have my love. I'm tryna fuck with her cousin, bitches no cuffin', let's get the fucking, ayy. Uber all around, let's get lit, it's going down. Cruising through the town, Quadri in the back, he smoking pound. Way up, off the shits, way up, off the shits. Who is this? Calling me at 6, talking about a lick. Damn, niggas want me dead. Shit, I ain't never scared. Stay prepared, Tory in my rear, filling sticks with lead. Oh Lord, I'm protected. Sexy women in my section, it's a blessing. Never had it, so when I blow up, I'm flexing. Steady preaching, Mr. Reverend, girl, you messing with a legend. On my Drake shit, I ain't got no time for that fake shit, that snake shit. You late, bitch, I made it, I'm famous. You fameless, stop hating, ayy. Nah, I ain't famous yet, but I'm grinding. Living that fever life, bitch, I'm wildin'. Money piling, bad bitch from the island. For my nigga, swear to God that I'm riding.
Any, many, money, mo. Me and Wild Milk catching hoes. If they catching feelings, though, we gon' have to let them go. Any, many, money, mo. Me and Wild Milk catching hoes. If they catching feelings, though, we gon' have to let them go. Damn.
I don't love them, I don't trust them, I don't cuff them. I just touch them, maybe fuck them, then I duck them. No discussion, ain't no fussing. Uber everywhere, Uber everywhere. Damn, damn, Uber everywhere, Uber